For this problem 4.1.11, we need to use the definition of the Laplace transform to transform f of t to f of s. What is the definition of the Laplace transform? Laplace transform of f of t equals 0 to infinity e to the negative st f of t dt. Laplace transform of f of t equals 0 to infinity e to the negative st. F of t is given e to the t plus 7 and dt. That equals 0 to infinity. And let's combine them together. So e to the negative st plus t plus 7 dt. And plus 7 doesn't have t terms, so we can separate that. 0 to infinity e to the 7 times e to the negative st plus t dt. Now we can take out the constant in front of that integral. E to the 7, 0 to infinity e to the, we're going to just take out negative out, s minus 1 times t dt. That equals e to the 7. Now if we take the integral of this, 1 over minus s minus 1 e to the negative s minus 1t, and it's going from 0 to infinity. Add this time interval into the equation. We have 1 negative s minus 1 and e to the negative s minus 1 infinity minus e to the negative s minus 1 times 0 equals e to the power of 7 over negative s minus 1. This is 1 over e to the s minus 1 times infinity minus 1 over e to the s minus 1 times 0. So that is e to the power of 7 s minus 1. And this denominator is going to be infinity, and this denominator is going to be 1. So 1 over infinity, which is 0, and then minus 1. The answer is e to the 7 over s minus 1, when s has to be greater than 1.